Hello dear students, let's see this caselet. It says a shopping mall has a large basement parking lot with parking slots painted in it along a single row, right? All the slots are in single row. These slots are quite narrow. A compact car can fit in a single slot, but an SUV requires two slots, right? When a car arrives, the parking attendant guides the car to the first available slot from the beginning of the row into which the car can fit. So assistant will guide right from the beginning. If there is a vacant space, then the car should park there. Right. Again, it depends upon if the car can fit or not. Right. If there is a only single slot available, then SUV car cannot fit there. Now, for our purpose, cars are numbered according to the order in which they arrive at the lot. Means first arrived will given number 1. For example, the first car to arrive is given number 1 and the second a number 2 and so on. This is what we also understood, right? But we should read these given examples and all what all extra information is given. Don't leave any single sentences here or word, single word, right? Because each word is important. This numbering does not indicate whether a car is a compact or an SUV. The configuration of a parking lot is a sequence of the car numbers in each slot, right? So configuration is defined with the help of car numbers. How? We'll see further. Each single vacant slot is represented by letter V. If there is a slot is vacant, will represented by V. For instance, this is also very important to read what it the process or what it's going to tell. Suppose cars numbered 1 through 5 arrive and park, where cars 1, 3, 5 are compact and 2 and 4 are SUVs. At this point, the parking lot will be described by the sequence. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? If 5 cars arrive. If cars 2 and 5 now vacate their slots, then we need to see what is the combination or configuration. 2 and 5 vacate their slots, the parking lot would now be described as, right? 2 vacant kiya and we know that 2 is SUV, so 2 vacant space there, right? Then 5 vacant kiya, right? So if 5 go out, it is not represented by V, right? Because it is the last car here. If a compact car number 6 arrives, subsequently followed by an SUV number 7. तो पहले compact car आए तो then the assistant will check from the starting कहाँ खाली है, तो it will fill this space, right? Followed by an SUV. The parking lot will be described by a sequence this. So as we understood कि sixth will be at this vacant space and seventh car which is an SUV cannot accommodate here. यहाँ पे accommodate नहीं हो पाएगी तो it will go at the end. Right? So now we understood the process. ठीक है कि how the car will get parked, what will be the sequence, etc. Now we can solve questions. Here instruction given, answer the following questions independently of each other. So we need to solve each question one by one, right? The first question is initially cars numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 arrive, among which 1 and 4 are SUVs and 2 and 3 are compact cars, right? So 4 cars arrived, out of which 1 and 4 are SUV and 2 and 3 are compact cars, right? So 1 and 4 are SUV and 2 and 3 are compact cars. Car 1 then leaves, followed by the arrival of a compact car 5. ठीक है, तो one leaves, one is an SUV. If one leaves, then there will be 2 vacant space and followed by a car 5 which is a compact car, वो arrive हुई, and car 6 which is an SUV, right? ठीक है, तो car 5 आई which is a compact car, so definitely that will fill this space, the first vacant space, right? Then car 6, which is an SUV. So SUV cannot fit here because SUV requires two space. So SUV, which is car 6, will go at the end. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be car 6 will take place, right? Now car 4 then leaves. Then again car 4 leaves, and car 4 we know that are SUV. So car 4 leave, again two vacant space. Then car 7 an SUV, and a car 8 a compact car arrive. Car 4 leave, then car 7 आया, which is an SUV. Definitely from starting here it cannot be possible SUV. So car 4 leave, so car 7 will join. Right? So car 7 is an SUV and car 8 is a compact car. Right? So car 4 SUV tha, car 7 it is not a compact, it is SUV. The SUV enters. So this space is taken by 7. Right? Now car 8 arrive, which is a compact car. Now where car 8? Yes, from the starting if we say this vacant space remains, so where car 8 will come. At this moment, which of the following numbered car is parked next to car 3? Next to car 3 is car 2 and car 7. If we look into the option, we can directly mark its option 3, which is 7. Right? So we are done with this question. Next question is, suppose 8 cars have arrived, of which 2 have left. Also, suppose that car 4 is a compact and car 7 is an SUV. ठीक है, out of this 8 cars, 2 left, and it says car 4 is a compact and car 7 is a SUV, right? Out of 8 car, 4th is compact and 7th is SUV. Which of the following is a possible current configuration of the parking lot? Right? Possible. This is the important word. Which of the following is a possible? Right? Out of these four, तीन ऑप्शन ऐसे होंगे जो कभी भी पॉसिबल नहीं होंगे, सिर्फ एक ही ऑप्शन होगा जो पॉसिबल होगा. That we need to find out. Right? What information? 4 and 7 left. 4 is a compact car and 7 is an SUV. Now out of this, which configuration is possible? Right? The first three configuration talks about the that की first car लीव हुई है and उसकी पोजीशन पे 8 कार एंटर हुई है, राइट? उस पार्किंग लॉट में. ठीक है, एंड बाय लुकिंग इनटू द ऑल आंसर ऑप्शन वी कैन से what all cars left is first and fourth cars. 4 numbered cars have been left as per all option. Right? ठीक है. Now, if we look into the fourth option, right? First car leave हुई है, but none of the car takes its position. Right? So there is a possibility कि first car is of different make. For example, 8th car यहाँ आई तो they are of different make. Definitely first car is one vacant space, so it is a compact car. So there is a possibility कि 8th car मेरी SUV हो, that's why it go to the end. ठीक है, but what here we have the information of 4th and 7th car. 4th is a compact and 7th is a SUV, right? So when 4th came out, so there will be one vacant space and 7 is SUV, which is not possible here, right? Because there is only one vacant space. SUV will take two vacant space. That's why this option is not possible. Now we need to concentrate where 1 गया है and उसकी जगह 8 आया है. Now possible configuration, we need to find out what is the possible configuration. In all first three options we have V at 4th place. Means V, 4th is a compact car. When 4th went out, none came in. Right? So there is a possibility 4th काफी late out गया होगा, right? और if 4 is a compact, others इसके जाने के बाद जो भी cars होंगी those will be SUV. That is a possibility, right? Now we need to find the configuration in all the three options. We have second number पे 2, third number पे 3, right? तो 1 2 3, 1 went out, 8 आया अंदर, right? तो 1 कब गया होगा? We need to find one possible option only, right? And one valid case will do, right? तो we'll assume that 8 आने के just पहले 1 गया होगा, तो 8 आया तो उसके लिए एक वेकेंट स्पेस खाली है, वेयर इट फिट्स, ठीक है। अब फॉर एग्जांपल, अब स्टार्टिंग से एक पॉसिबल अरेंजमेंट देखना है तो हम देख सकते हैं कि व्हाट इज द पॉसिबल। तो 1 2 3 4, 4 गया, वेकेंट आया, राइट। तो आगे के 5 6 7 के पहले अगर 4 गया होगा तो डेफिनेटली 5 6 7 विल बी ऑफ डिफरेंट मेक मींस एसयूवी होंगे, राइट। तो 5, देन 5 कम्स, राइट। In two option there is 5, in one option 6, then this option 6, then 5. So that is not possible, right? Fourth is a compact, तो only one. 4 SUV होता तो दो vacant space होता, there is a possibility कि एक vacant space 6 आ गया, but that is again not the case। अगर 5 is coming तो 5 आने के बाद 4 गया होगा तभी वो possible है, right? But 4 is a compact car, तो 6 cannot come here, right? So this option is not possible. What about these two options? Again, if we see the possible, yes, 5 came, then 6 came, again we'll consider that none of the left, or agar koi nikla bhi hai to those are compact and 6 is SUV. Any valid case we can assume. So again after 5 6 will take the last place, and again the 7 come, they cannot come in any of the place, right? 7 is also we consider as SUV, then 7 will also. So is this possible? Yes, this is possible. This is possible, so we can mark our answer as option 2, right? Now, question number 3. Suppose the sequence at some point of time is this. Which of the following is not necessarily true? Not necessarily true means out of these 4 options, right? 3 should be definitely true, right? Out of these 4, 3 should be definitely true. Now we need to check how this sequence can come, right? And if we found on any one case, then this question will get solved, because in that case 3 तो definitely true होंगे, right? अगर 3 definitely true है, एक नहीं है, तो we no need to check other case, उसी केस से काम हो जाएगा। तो let's check how it is possible, right? Car number till 6 and 1 or 2 is not there, so we know that 1 and 2 have left, right? So 1 and 2 left हुए हैं, how, so that we can make this arrangement, we need to check whether that is possible or not, right? So if car 1 is there, then car 2 is there, then car 3 is there, right? Here also 3 is there. Before 3 there are 4 spaces are there, or 4 parking slots are there, right? So what we can consider is after 1 2 3, let's say car 4 came and car 4 took the first space, right? So car 4 took the first space, then 4 comes, then car 5 comes, car 5 takes the second space, then car 6 again takes the third space, and then the fourth space is vacant. So when it is possible, this is the case when it is possible when car 1 and car 2 is SUV, so they both have 2 slots each. And when the car 1 leaves, definitely car 4 will come after car 3. Car 4 will be a compact car and will take first space. Then car 5 will come, car 5 again a compact car will take second vacant space, right? Then car 6 will come, because we need to make this sequence, car 6 can take this space. Now the sequence is complete, right? 4 5, then 6, then vacant, and then 3, right? So now we'll see the options, if we can eliminate some. Which of the following not necessarily true, right? ठीक है, if we see option 1, so option 1 car 5 is a compact, तो car 5 compact है क्या? Yes, this should be true, right? Car 1 is an SUV, car 1 SUV, yes. In this case, car 3 is an SUV, car 3 is an SUV, can't say. Car 4 is a compact, car 4 is a compact, yes. So out of these, option 1, 2 and 4 should be necessarily true, then only this sequence will come, right? What is not necessary is car 3 is an SUV, right? Car 3 is an SUV, we no need to take care of that. Whether it is an compact or SUV, our sequence will be possible without that also, right? But car 5 should be compact, car 1 should be SUV, right? Car 5 compact रहेगा, अगर compact नहीं रहेगा तो it will take two places. Then when car 6 come and car 6 compact है तो उसके बाद vacant place नहीं बचेगी, right? So car 5 is a compact, car 1 should be SUV and car 4 is a compact, should be definitely true, right? Not necessary true is car 3. It doesn't matter whether car 3 is an SUV or compact. Correct answer option is this. Question 4. Suppose that car 4 is not the first car to leave and that the sequence at a time between the arrival of the car 7 and car 8 is this. Then which of the following statements must be false? We need to identify out of these given statement which is definitely false, means false in all the cases. कार 4 is not the first car to leave. कार 4 पहले इस सीक्वेंस में मैं देखूंगी कि कौन कौन सी कार निकली हैं, तो वी कैन से दैट फर्स्ट नंबर, सेकंड नंबर एंड फोर्थ नंबर, तो definitely left. We need to make this sequence and car 4 is not the first to leave, right? So let's try it, right? When car number 1 arrive, 2 arrive, 3 arrive, right? So 3 is already there, means 3 haven't left. 3 के पहले एक vacant space and 7 number की car है, right? Then car number 4 arrive, then 5 arrive, right? This we can say कि 5 के पहले 6 आया है, means 4th number की car left हुई है. But we know that 4th car is not the first one to leave, right? If 4th car is not the first one to leave, then first leave किसने किया होगा? Either first or second. We can see this is 7, right? Means इस vacant space पे 7 आया है third के पहले, तो definitely ये 2 की जगह ही आया होगा. 7th car came in place of second, so we can say अगर first car मेरी first exit होती, राइट, फर्स्ट कार अगर मेरी एग्जिट होती, देन एंड फोर्थ कार मेरी सेकंड एग्जिट होती है, डेफिनेटली सिक्स्थ कार आई तो दैट इज गोइंग इन द फोर्थ प्लेस, तो दैट इज द केस व्हेन फर्स्ट इज ए कॉम्पैक्ट कार एंड सिक्स्थ इज एन एसयूवी, राइट? एंड इफ सिक्स्थ इज एन एसयूवी, फोर्थ शुड आल्सो बी एन एसयूवी बाय लुकिंग इनटू द सीक्वेंस. तो दैट इज द पॉसिबल केस. इन दैट केस द सेकंड इज लास्ट एग्जिट और थर्ड एग्जिट. But second अगर third exit है, तो if the 7th car comes, then the first place is also vacant, so 7th car should acquire that place, right? Which is not the case. So we'll consider as second car to first exit, right? Second car first exit हुई है, right? अगर first car second exit होता, तो when 7th car आता तो वो first place लेता, right? Because till now sixth car is also already took the place of fourth, so the first car will not be second exit, it will be always be third exit, right? And it exit after car 7 comes in, right? When car 7 comes in means fourth should be the second exit because car 6 car 7 के पहले आई है, right? Now the things are clear. So car second is the first exit, then car 4 is the second exit when the car 6 comes, and definitely in that case second should be compact car, right? And fourth should be SUV because car 6 should take fourth place. In that case, car 6 should be SUV so that it should not take the second place, right? So car 6 is an SUV. It has to accommodate two places. In that case, car 4 should be an SUV. Car 4 second exit. After that, car 6 comes, so it will definitely go at fourth place, right? Then car 7 comes, then it will go at second place, right? Then car first exited. Now, which of the following statement must be false? Car 6 is a compact. Car 6 is a compact. No. Car 6 is not a compact. So this should must be false. Right? We can check other option also. Car 2 is a compact. Yes, car 2 is a compact. Car 4 is an SUV. Yes, car 4 should be an SUV. Car 7 is a compact. Yes, car 7 is a compact, right? So this must be false. Car 6 is a compact. No, car 6 should be an SUV. So we are done with this caselet.